Numerical and observational analysis of wave conditions and pilot boarding safety in an expanding port environment. Piloted services are crucial for ensuring the safe navigation of vessels entering and leaving ports. The research examines wave distributions at the pilot station using data collected from an acoustic Doppler current profiler (ADCP) station and buoy. Additionally, it evaluates the impact of planned port expansions, including the construction of a new liquefied natural gas (LNG) terminal and extended breakwaters, on wave characteristics and pilot operations. Numerical simulations and observational data indicate that, despite minor variations, wave height trends at the boarding area remain relatively consistent before and after expansion. The findings suggest that the proposed modifications alter wave diffraction patterns while enhancing the predictability and safety of pilot operations by reducing uncertainties in wave measurements. These insights are particularly valuable for future port development initiatives as they provide data-driven guidance on optimizing infrastructure design, minimizing wave-induced risks, and improving pilot boarding conditions. This study contributes to the broader understanding of marine meteorology and its implications for port safety and efficiency. Introduction. Ports play a key role in global trade, and marine pilots are essential for safely guiding ships in and out of harbors. However, transferring pilots onto moving ships, especially in open waters, can be risky, particularly in rough seas or poor weather. This study focuses on Taiwan's Taichung port, where strong winds and waves make pilot transfers even more dangerous. With plans to expand the port and add new structures like an LNG terminal, understanding how these changes affect wave and current patterns is crucial. Using weather data, field measurements, and computer simulations, this research analyzes how waves and tides behave near the pilot boarding area. The goal is to help improve safety and efficiency for pilots working under tough conditions. The methods and insights from this study can also help other ports worldwide better plan their expansions and protect pilot safety. Conclusion. This study explores how changing wave conditions affect the safety of pilot boarding at Taichung Port. Pilots must often board ships in unpredictable sea conditions, which can be dangerous. By analyzing wave data from multiple locations around the port, this study provides a clearer picture of wave behavior before and after proposed port expansions. The results show that using data from several sources helps fill in gaps and improves the accuracy of safety assessments. Changes to the port structure, like adding a new breakwater, can affect wave patterns, so it's important to evaluate these carefully to keep operations safe. The study's approach, combining real-world measurements with computer models, can help other ports plan expansions while maintaining safety. Future research should also consider how underwater construction affects waves and currents, especially in busy ports that serve both commercial and tourism purposes. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.